Alright guys, today we are taking a look at the WE Knife Company Rectifier. It's a flipper frame lock, and it is a nice one. The thing I like about this one, it's kind of a simple design from WE. They'd like to go with these really extravagant designs, but me, I prefer the simpler, more functional designs. Anywho, the overall length is 6.875 inches, blade length almost 3 inches, 2.95 of S35 VN, and it's got a nice blade shape to it. The handle length is 3.9 inches, and it has G10 on the front side and titanium on the back side. And you can see there we have a lock bar insert, which is a nice detail. So the overall weight is 2.75 ounces, and you've got your tactical clothespin right next to it for size comparison. There you have it. And so this is the tan with stonewashed blade version, but they have other colors as well. We've got here the black with the black coated blade, and I believe there's a blue one as well. There's a bunch of other colors. You should check them all out at bladehq.com and buy it. This is the WE Knife Co. Rectifier.